Good morning, student. This is the second lecture of this economics, that is development. In first lecture, we have seen different people. They have different developmental goal. Already we have seen the different cases or different students or different people, how they have their different goal. We have seen example of the girl urban area, youth from urban area, then peasant from Punjab, and other cases we have seen related to the different goal and different ideas for their development. Even we have seen paid woman, she is having the mixed goal for the development. And in this lecture we are going to discuss the national development. As we have seen, different people, they have different developmental goal. So in case of the different people, they have also different developmental goal related to the national development, that we are going to discuss here. So national development, which is page number 6 on your in your textbook. So national development, if we have seen above, individuals seek different goals. Their notions and of the national development is also likely to be the different. Means those people, they are having the different developmental goal. In same way, their ideas for the development, they are also different related to the national development. So discuss among yourselves, means we also discuss among the different students that what are the developmental goal related to the national development. So most likely you would find that different students in the class have given different answer to the above question. If we conduct the session in the class related to the national development, so ideas for the national development would be different from the student to student. It would not be the same answer related to the national development. In fact, you might yourself think of many different answers and not be too sure of any of this. Means individual answer would be different, it would not be same to same, individual to individual. It is very important to keep in mind that different person could have the different as well as conflicting notions of the country's development. Means this different notion, different ideas, different thinking related to the national development, it would be the different, and it would be also conflicting on each other. Means one's idea for national development, that may be conflict on others idea related to the national development. Just like the individual goal, we have seen related to the Narmada Bachao Andolan, that tribal people, in place of them, that was not the development, displacement, adversely effect fall on their life, because they had to denial their life or where they were living. At the same time, multi-purpose project on the dam, that was the development for the farmers and industrialists. Okay, so both these things are related to the development, but idea of development, that would be conflicts, there would be the conflict among different groups. In the same way, national development's idea also conflicts on each other related to the different countries. Okay, so however can all these ideas be considered equally important? Means all these different idea related to the development, they would be that would be the good, or equally they would be equally important on the different aspects. Or if there are conflicts, how does one decide what would be the fair and just path for all? So here, though the ideas of development that would be conflict on each other, but we have to see that what would be the good or fair path or just path for the development for near about all the people, or medium ways for the development, or consensus, or all people near about maximum people have to get the approval, consensus for the developmental idea, and that would be the important. So would the ideas benefit the large number of people or only the small group? Means whatever ideas, different ideas would be there for the different individuals, but these are most of these ideas for the development that there is need to consider, or that would be the benefited to large number of the group or people, and only small group should not be the benefited with that ideas. Maximum people have to get the benefit for that development, and that would be the development, or that is important criteria for the development. Large number of people have to benefited for particular project related to the national development. So national development means thinking about all these questions. Okay, so here we are on the page number 7. Two cases are given here for the national development. Okay, so here it is the first case given about the on the page number 7. Students, you have to keep your textbooks with you. So here vessel dump is there. Vessel dump 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into the open air dump in the city and in the surrounding seas. This happened in the city called the Abidjan in the Ivory Coast. It is in the country Africa. This is example of the African country where multinational company wanted to dump 500 tons, quantity is 500 tons liquid toxic waste into the open air dump. That this is the project of this company. They wanted to dump this 500 liquid toxic waste. So here the fumes from this highly toxic waste cause the nausea, skin rashes, then fainting, then diarrhea, etc. Means because of dumping this toxic waste, it is dangerous to the common people, those who are living in the local area. Different health problems arise to the local, in place of local people, because of dumping this toxic waste. Different problems, skin rashes, then diarrhea, all this. After the month, 7 persons were dead because of this dumping waste. How many people died here? After the month, 7 persons they died, and 20 they are in the hospitalized, and 26,000 they treated the symptoms of poisoning. Means different type of the health problem issues arise in place of the local people because of this wastage, liquid toxic wastage. So here a multinational company dealing in the petroleum and metal had contracted to the local companies of this Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast, it is one of the coast of the African Sea, and to dispose the toxic waste from its ships. So multinational company given means this multinational company work with the local company, and local company given task for this dumping waste. Okay, here so some of the questions are here related to this dumping waste. Means here multinational company work here for with the local companies and given task to the local company for this dumping waste. So what are the problems here? Some questions are here related to this, that who are the people who benefited and who did not benefited. So here who benefited in this project? Multinational company. They benefited here because of this. They successfully dumped this wastage. But at the same time, local people that falls the adverse effect of this task. So these are not here the benefited. Okay, first question, it is clear for you. Okay, next is what should be the developmental goal for these countries? So we have seen different people or different countries, they have different developmental goal. So here multinational company is belonging to the different countries. Their developmental goal is how to dispose this waste. Then local people of that country's developmental goal is what? They have to they require here a safe environment, which is not getting them because of this toxic dump. Different illness or health problem issues arise, and that is not the developmental goal of the African people, but it is developmental goal of the multinational companies from different countries. So what can be some of the developmental goal of your village? Means this is the open-ended question. And see, here is next picture in this page number 7. See here, here multi-storied building is there, and in the bottom of that multi-storied building there is slum area, huts are there. So here developmental goal. What would be the developmental goal here about the different people, rich and poor? There is wide gap between rich and poor. High building, in this multi-storied building, people, those who are living, they are very rich. So their developmental goal would be the different. But at the same time, at the bottom, people, those are living in the slum area, their developmental goal, ideas of the development or notion of the development, that would be the different from this rich multi-storied building people. So though the idea of developmental would be benefited to the group of people, but it is not equally benefited. First, one developmental idea or notion that would be adversely affect to the other group of people. Okay, so we have seen this page number 7 in this lecture. Okay, student, next lecture we will see how to compare the different countries or the states. Okay, good day. किती मिनिटाचं